Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of peonies, the plants that truly stand the test of time. They can live up to an impressive 100 years, and are often passed on from one generation to another. Originating from Europe, Asia, and Western North America, they have captured hearts worldwide with their mesmerizing blossoms and easygoing nature. Peonies, known as the 12th wedding anniversary flowers, carry a rich history and symbolism. They are a floral symbol of China, state flower of Indiana, and even represent wealth, honor, and love in the language of flowers. Their name is derived from Greek mythology, specifically from Peon, a student of Asclepius, the god of healing and medicine. These plants have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and even in culinary applications like flavoring food and drinks. Belonging to the Peonia genus, which is the sole genus of the Peoniaceae family, peonies typically grow between 1 and 3 feet tall, but certain woody shrub varieties can reach up to 11 feet. Their foliage is a sight to behold, with large, glossy, green leaves that add charm to any space. A remarkable feature of peonies is their tubers, which are adept at storing water and nutrients, ensuring the plant's long-term health. Peonies' flowering season, from late spring to early summer, is truly a sight to behold. Though it lasts only for 7 to 10 days, their fragrant flowers in shades of white, yellow, red, pink, or purple are simply spellbinding. Growing peonies is a relatively straightforward process. They prefer slightly acidic soils with excellent drainage and at least 6 hours of bright and direct light daily. These beauties thrive in cooler climates and require at least a month of winter chilling to induce dormancy. With good care, they are mostly resistant to common pests, but do keep an eye out for gray mold or botrytis, which can occur in poor lighting or overcrowded conditions. Despite their robust nature, peonies do require some TLC. Annual feeding after the blooming period with a compost and low nitrogen fertilizer mix can go a long way in ensuring their health. Also, don't forget the repotting process, ideally every 3 years. Remember to handle their roots gently, and always use a pot that's one size larger with fresh potting soil. Peonies are big lovers of moisture and demand regular watering, especially in hot and dry climates. A good thumb rule is to provide them with 1 to 2 inches of water weekly. Mulching can help retain water and improve drainage. Propagation is also possible with peonies, though it requires some care due to their fragile roots. The method of choice is division, which can be done in fall or early spring. Remember to handle the roots gently and plant them in fresh soil without overcrowding, keeping the crown buds no deeper than 2 inches in the soil. Peonies are not only a feast for the eyes but also a rewarding addition to your garden. They are a true testament to the saying, with great care, comes great reward. So, are you ready to welcome these timeless beauties into your green space? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening!